If time is money, you can save lots of it by using a free feature in Pathway, simply entitled My Pathway. Let's start from the Pathway homepage and click on My Pathway. This feature lets you select 5 groups, each containing up to 25 horses, people, or racetracks. Using these groups, we call them stables, you can use them to manage the reports you are most interested in without having to enter additional information every time you sign on to Pathway. And remember, establishing and managing My Pathway stables is absolutely free. First, let's create a stable by clicking on Create Stable. You can give your stable a name, and then you can select the type of stable from a drop-down list, either racehorses, breeding, contacts, which is a driver, trainer, owner, or breeder, or racetrack. Let's make this one a racing stable. In our sample stable, we are going to add the names of racehorses we want to follow regularly. We enter a name or horse number. Then are asked to select from among similarly named horses. By clicking on the horse we want, it is added to our My Pathway stable. We can then enter another and add that one too, up to 25 horses, in fact, in this stable. Note that when you are viewing a racing or breeding stable, you can sort by a number of criteria. You can select either trot or pace, from a range of ages, or among males and females. This can make a much longer list easier to handle. Once you've established 1 to 5 My Pathway stables, you can then go directly to the reports you want to see. Several of the items on each stable line are links, as is the Reports icon at the right. Click on one and you will be taken to the Reports menu. Select the report you want to see and note that the information about this member of the stable has already been entered below. Click on Start Search to go to the appropriate report. Also on the page showing the members of your stables, note the link at the far right. It says Edit. Select that and you'll be able to select a report you usually want to see for this horse, person, or track. You can set different favorites for each stable member or make it the same for every member of the stable. Return to your stable and note that a favorite logo now appears for that horse in your stable. Simply click on it and that report will be displayed for that horse. Continue on the USTA Learning track by sending questions to pathway@ustrotting.com.